Hello everyone. Today we shall look into few list selection functions. Here I have few sample countries like which are nine countries which is present in the new table. Okay, I would like to show few functions of list. I'll quickly go to new query, take a blank query. In my blank query, I would type equal to find text. As you type find text, you could see this function. As you just type the function and click enter, here you could see that the definition and example for it. Okay, as you could see that example in a list, you are able to find the letter for it. Even here I could choose the column. Suppose that I'll choose new table, I'll select the countries and click OK. Here I'll type I want the countries where an word is, an letter is situated. I'll invoke the function. As I invoke the function, you could see the France and Japan are the two countries where my an letter like alphabets are situated. Suppose that I'll go back to the query. Suppose that I want to use the parameters of it. I'll remove this invoked function. I'll delete this and I'll go to the query. I'll open the parenthesis. I have my countries in the new table. I'll write new table. Okay, I'll open the square brackets, write countries. Okay, this is my new table countries column where I have to find the text. I'll put a comma and give the parameter and type an where I have to find my countries like where an is present. Okay, I'll click on it. Here you could see that the same list is now populated using the parameters of list.findText. This is how we use list.findText. I'll rename the query as findText. Let us move on to the next function. I'll take a blank query. Okay, uh, we have few numbers which are from -5 to +5. Okay, I'll show you few functions. Suppose that I want to find first five letters, or suppose that I want to find first number. Okay, I have the function called list.first. I'll open the parenthesis. The table name is numbers and the column name is values. Okay, and as I click on it, okay, here you could see that -5 is my first number. Suppose that I want to find first five numbers. I'll type list dot first n. Okay, you could see this function list dot first n. After the first parameter, put a comma and put the count of numbers which you want. I want five numbers. I'll click on this tick mark. Here you could see that as I type yeah, 5 in the second parameter and I have changed the function list dot first n, it is showing me the numbers from -5 to -1. Okay, similarly I could change this to last function. Okay, I could type last n. This will show me last five numbers. Okay, suppose that I want only the last number. What I could do is I could remove this n. List dot last function, it gives me only the last value. Similarly, I could do the same with the countries column. Suppose that I'll quickly go to a blank query. Okay, here suppose that I want first three countries, or I'll take I'll show you first country. Okay, here I'll type first. You could see the list dot first function. I'll open the parenthesis. I'll type new table and open the square brackets, type countries. Okay, as I enter it, here you could see that India is my first country. Okay, suppose that I want the first three countries. I'll type list dot first n. Okay, you could see the function list dot first n, and in the second parameter I'll type first, I mean three countries. So here we get the list of first three countries. Similarly, if I want last three countries, I'll type last n, and we have the three in the second parameter. These are the last three countries. Suppose that I only want this last country, you could remove this n. List dot last function, it would give me the output of last country. This is how list.findText, list.first, list.firstN, list.last and list.lastN functions work. Thank you for watching, and we shall meet in the next video.